Guest lecture kali ini menghadirkan peneliti dari Universitas Wollongong, Australia, Doktor Ali Kimbrough yang mempresentasikan materi berjudul Sulawesi Stalagmites, The Glacial Warming and Changes in Tropical Rainfall and Vegetation. Materi yang dibawakan kali ini merupakan hasil risetnya terkait dengan korelasi antara pertumbuhan stalagmit dengan kondisi tumbuh-tumbuhan serta curah hujan, khususnya di Pulau Sulawesi.
Okay, we just Dr. Ali Kimbrough from Wollongong University just finished presenting about her work and colleagues from Australia about these Paleoclimatology stalagmites growing in Putri, is it Gua Mimpi Cave, Mimpi and Karisma, and then the studies about relating the growth of the stalagmites to vegetation and rainfall patterns in, is it Sulawesi, right?
Yes.
Okay, please, Alain.
Terkait kolaborasi dengan Universitas Hasanuddin, Prof. Halmar sebagai salah satu pakar geofisika dari Universitas Hasanuddin menjanjikan akan ada kolaborasi dalam bidang lain ke depannya. Meskipun dalam penelitian kali ini, ia belum berkontribusi secara langsung.
Thanks for your questions. I'm from University of Wollongong, and my research looks at using stalagmites from caves in Bantimurung, mostly, to learn about past climate. So stalagmites can be very old, maybe up to or beyond 500,000 years old, and within the stalagmite growth layers, it contains a record of past climate. So we can study small samples from these growth layers and learn about how the wet season changed, maybe how the environment changed in vegetation, especially during periods in Earth's past when the climate was moving from a colder period to warmer period. So big changes in climate in the past, and we can learn how rainfall systems responded to those changes. And by understanding those dynamics, we can better use that information to predict future change in a warmer world. So this data can help us learn about the past, inform maybe climate models, and then start to learn about what we can anticipate, hopefully, in the future.
Dalam materi yang disampaikan, dikemukakan data-data yang menunjukkan bahwa lapisan-lapisan pertumbuhan pada stalagmit dapat menggambarkan kondisi iklim, cuaca, serta curah hujan di masa lampau. Pengetahuan akan dinamika tersebut dapat menjadi metode baru dalam melakukan prediksi terhadap iklim ke depannya.